Imagine this. You're walking down the street, calm, relaxed, humming to yourself, and suddenly, yes, the Earth just stops spinning for 5 whole seconds. 5 seconds. Can you even imagine what could happen in just 5 seconds? Spoiler, a lot. A lot. Seriously, a lot. Normally, the Earth spins like a top, 1 full rotation per day. That gives us day and night. It started spinning 4.6 billion years ago, when a cloud of gas and dust swirled around the sun, pebbles collided, stuck together, and wham! It all went spinning. Imagine a figure skater pulling in her arms, spinning faster, faster. That's us, except the skater weighs 6.5 sextillion tons. But what happens if we suddenly hit stop? The atmosphere would shrug and say, "Okay, I'm continuing." And while the Earth stands still, the air will rocket forward at insane speeds. At the equator, record-breaking 1,670 kilometers per hour. For comparison, that's 1.5 times faster than a passenger plane. Don't even think about standing still. These winds would knock you over, send debris flying, and could rip chunks of Earth's crust away. It doesn't matter where you hide, in a field, a skyscraper, or a concrete bunker. The winds will tear buildings from their foundations, lift cars into the air, smash everything in sight. And guess what? That's just the light version. The real gusts are 3 times stronger. Good news, you won't be flung into space. To escape Earth, you'd need to hit 40,000 kilometers per hour. Bad news, everything around you is flying away. In other countries, like France or New Zealand, it would be a bit easier. Winds only 1,180 kilometers per hour, meaning easier, only that the strongest hurricane in history would look like a gentle breeze. And that's not even all. Our planet isn't perfectly round. It's a bit squashed. The equator is bulged. If rotation stops, Earth becomes a perfect sphere, and water rushes from the equator to the poles. Hello, giant tsunami. After 5 seconds, rotation resumes, and all that water slams back. And yes, that's shockwave number 2, a double tsunami. Where to hide? The North or South Pole. There, winds are weaker, water is less. But honestly, not much help. In the end, Earth spins normally again. Hooray. Well, not really. There will be no cities, no technology, no fields. Billions of people perish from these winds, and the planet becomes ruins. So, if you want to survive this apocalypse, start digging a deep underground bunker right now. But breathe. Scientists are sure the Earth won't stop for billions of years. Eventually, the sun will swell into a red giant and incinerate all life. But that's a story for another video.